You know how tired I was of managing those kitchen cotton rags? They always smelled funny and washing and drying them was just a hassle. But I found something amazing on Amazon. I snagged them for just $2.99 on Amazon. What a steal! These towels come in two rolls, and can we just take a moment to appreciate the color combination? Now, each roll has 80 pulls, and here is the cool part. Each pull can be reused up to 100 times. That's right, 100 times. And they fit so easily onto any tissue holder. They have a clean perforation for easy tearing. Let me tear one off for you and show you how it feels. It's a really good size. It covers my whole palm and it feels super soft. Let's see how well it absorbs water. Wow, look at that, it's soaking it right up. And guess what? They say it's food grade and safe to use. I just really hope it doesn't smell after cleaning. Okay, so I just made a bit of a mess on my stove top. Look at those stains. Let's see how well it can clean them off. So the kitchen towel is all stained. Now let's see how easy it is to get rid of this. I have got some soap solution here and I'm just going to fill this tumbler with water and then rinse the towel. Let's give it a good scrub. This is so effortless. Unlike those cotton rags, this one feels almost dry after rinsing. Let's give it another decent scrub. And let's try it out. And look, the stains are completely gone. It's all ready for the next round and I can use this 99 more times before tossing it. I'm truly impressed with how well these towels work. They have made my kitchen cleaning so much more manageable. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.